Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether checking your Equifax credit report lowers your credit score. When you check your own credit report, it is classified as a soft inquiry, also known as a soft pull. Soft inquiries happen whenever you or certain authorized entities review your credit for background checks, employment verification, or personal monitoring. Because a soft inquiry is merely an informational review rather than an application for new credit, it has zero impact on your credit score. Lenders and credit scoring models do not see soft inquiries when evaluating your creditworthiness, meaning you can check your Equifax report as often as you like without any negative consequences. The only type of inquiry that can potentially lower your credit score is a hard inquiry, or a hard pull. A hard inquiry occurs when you formally apply for new credit, such as a mortgage, auto loan, personal loan, credit card, or line of credit. When you submit an application, the lender requests your credit report to assess your financial risk, which temporarily dips your score by a few points. Multiple hard inquiries within a short time frame can signal to lenders that you are taking on high financial risk, whereas soft inquiries remain completely invisible to credit scoring calculations. Equifax, along with Experian and TransUnion, provides consumers with free access to their credit reports and monitoring tools. Reviewing your own report regularly is an essential habit for financial health. It allows you to verify that all reported account statuses, payment histories, and personal details are accurate, and it helps you catch potential signs of identity theft or fraudulent activity early. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.